Bitcoin stays above $63,000, Ether hovers around $3,400. Mt. Gox shifts $9 billion in BTC, market braces for impact. Ether spot ETFs could see up to $5.4 billion of net inflows in first 6 months, Citi. SEC tells ETH ETF issuers fund can start trading next Tuesday. Binance's BNB chain introduces Layer 2 testnet powered by Optimism. Hello and welcome to 3.0 TV. I am Vishakha Thakur. Bitcoin faced renewed selling pressure on Tuesday after blockchain data showed defunct exchange Mt. Gox started moving coins internally for potential repayments to creditors, while the leading crypto by market value dipped 3%, briefly falling below $63,000 after testing the $65,000 mark during the early Asian trading hours. Bitcoin is currently trading around $63,368. And now back to the headlines. In 3 hours on July 16, Mt. Gox has moved over 140,000 Bitcoin, worth almost $9 billion, to a known cold wallet and 2 unknown addresses. Well, according to Arkham Intelligence data, Mt. Gox still holds 138,985 Bitcoin in its main wallet, worth around $8.7 billion, and has begun mobilizing funds held for the first time in 2 weeks. Well, 2 transactions saw almost 96,000 BTC worth over $6 billion shifted to 2 unknown wallets, while the initial 44,527 BTC was sent to a known Mt. Gox cold wallet. The combined volume of Mt. Gox's BTC transactions on July 16 mounted to almost 190,000 BTC, accounting for over $12 billion in value moved in just 3 hours. The BTC price reached almost as high as $65,000 earlier on July 16, but fell to lows of $63,000 within hours. Spot Ether exchange-traded funds in the US could see net inflows at just 30 to 35% the levels of spot Bitcoin equivalents, with distribution skewed to the downside, Citi said in a recent report last week. That level gives a range of $4.7 billion to $5.4 billion of net inflows over 6 months, the report said. Moreover, the inflows and the beta of Ether returns relative to such flows could be lower than analysis suggests, the bank said. But the bank noted that another reason that flows could disappoint is due to the lack of staking in Ether spot ETFs. Bitcoin also benefits from first-mover advantage, which saw billions of dollars of inflows and strong BTC outperformance prior to Ether ETF listing approval in May, the bank said. Still, it's not all doom and gloom. The timing of spot Ether ETF launches may align with an increasingly dovish Federal Reserve, which could mean lower interest rates, a stronger equity market, and a weaker US dollar, and that is a macroeconomic environment that could be supportive for crypto, the report said. Prospective issuers of a spot Ether exchange-traded fund were told by SEC on Monday that the funds can begin trading next Tuesday, to sources familiar with the matter told CoinDesk. SEC officials told one issuer that the regulator had no further comments on the recently submitted S1S and the final versions needed to be submitted by Wednesday, one of the sources said, adding that the funds can subsequently be listed on exchanges on Tuesday, July 23. A second source said it's possible that trading could start on Tuesday after the ETFs are deemed effective next Monday. Bloomberg Intelligence senior ETF analyst Eric Baltunas first reported the development on a social media post. Once live on the market, the spot Ether ETFs could see inflows of up to $5 billion in the first 6 months, crypto exchange Gemini predicts. Tenor Research said it expects inflows of up to $20 billion in the first year. Binance-founded Layer 1 blockchain BNB chain has introduced a new Layer 2 chain that it hopes will address its scalability challenge. On June 19, BNB chain unveiled OP-BNB, which has launched as a testnet. The new Layer 2 scaling solution is based on the Optimism OP stack, which it says will add additional security and scalability to the Binance blockchain network. The system is an Ethereum virtual machine compatible Layer 2 chain, which means it works with Ethereum-based smart contracts, networks, and ERC20 token standards. Blockchains are often plagued by network congestion and higher fees during times of increased network demand. BNB chain currently claims around 2,000 transactions per second with transaction cost of around $0.10. Now, according to the announcement, OPBNB can support over 4,000 transfer transactions per second at an average transaction cost lower than $0.005. And now let's go to Shikha Singh to get an update on the buzzing coins of the day.
Now let us have a look at the buzzing crypto watch list for today and the week ahead. First on the list, we have DogeCoin. VIF has become the star performer with 1,306% increase, but its market cap has made a notable recovery in recent months. Pepe follows behind VIF in this key financial metric, reaching a market capitalization of $5 billion. However, the two are far behind from DogeCoin and SHIB's market value figures, which currently stands at $17 billion and $10 billion respectively, being the largest meme coins in the crypto market. Next on the list, we have MOG meme coin. Cryptocurrencies such as MOG coin and Zcash experienced significant increases this week, with MOG leading the pack with 54.9% increase. MOG coin is a meme coin and it experienced 71% gain in 6 days after last week's losses. However, it lost 15% of its value in the last 24 hours and it is currently ranked at the 99th on a coin market cap, with the market capitalization of MOG reaching $583 million. The meme coin's volatility is not uncommon despite its relatively small market size. Next on the list, we have Solana. Solana Sol has seen significant gains over the past weekend, with its price rising above the $150 mark, showing gains about 25% over the last 3 days. This indicates aggressive buying among investors, which is bullish news for the token and signals a potential rally incoming. Solana is back up to over $153, up 4% in the last 24 hours. Solana rise comes after the rise in the meme coins on the Solana ecosystem. Next on the list, we have Popcat. Solana's blockchain has seen a surge in meme coins, with Popcat being a notable example. With a capped supply of 979 million tokens, Popcat is similar to DogeCoin, which has a slightly larger max supply of $998 million. The meme coin has affected over $700 million in global market capitalization for the first time and is currently ranked 108th on Daily Coin. Next on the list, we have Pepe. Pepe is a meme coin and it has experienced 7.65% price increase over the last 24 hours. However, skeptics are doubtful of Pepe's growth potential, citing the overall crypto market as the main contributor to its rally. Pepe is experiencing the highest growth among the top 10 meme coins, with Doge going up by 3.8% and Shiba and VIF rising around 2.8%.
Well, that's all in today's special bulletin. This is me, Vishakha Thakur, signing off. For more on such updates and market news, please log on to our website www.3voicetv.io or scan the QR code.